Hey guys, Alex Underwood here, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can probably already tell by the title of the video, I have a brow tutorial for you guys here today, just so I never have to do them on camera ever again. Because let me tell you, doing brows on camera is kind of a nightmare. You know, I'll do my best to get them in every video, but I just can't promise that. So I'm putting out this video for you guys who need help on how to do eyebrows. Now this is personally just how I do my eyebrows. Everyone can do them however they want. I basically just follow the natural shape, but y'all wanted it, so here you go. Just stay tuned and you get to see how I do my brows. To start out, I'm going to fill in my brows a little bit with the contour shade from the Smashbox contour palette, and this is just to give a little bit of shape to my brows before I start drawing them on with the dip brow. And you can really use any eyeshadow shade, any contour shade, but stick to one that is close to the color you picked for your brows. You can see me going in with the Anastasia dip brow. This is in the shade Taupe. I do like to do my brows a little bit darker than my hair because my roots do grow out dark, and I find that it looks a little natural. And I fill them in according to the natural shape of my brow. I fill in the bottom first, and then I just start blending the color up to the top of my brow. And then you can see I start to define it a little bit more. And when doing your brows, you always want to go a little bit at a time. You don't want to add too much color or make them too thick. It's kind of like doing eyeliner. Once they're too thick, it's a disaster. Be very, very careful with the amount of product you are putting on your brow, and make sure you spread it out and blend it out. Don't just draw it on. Do blend it out and make sure it gets in under all of the hairs so it looks more natural and filled in. And really the shape of the brow doesn't matter. It's kind of whatever you prefer. This is my natural shape that I follow, or at least the shape that I made my brows when I started plucking them. So I would just suggest following your natural brow shape, unless you decide to get your brows shaped a different way, in which that's your own opinion, and I think anyone can do whatever they want with your eyebrows. Heck, even shave them off if you're into it. And you do want to be sure not to completely fill in the very front of your brow. You want that to fade out naturally. You don't want it to look boxy. No one wants boxy brows up in here. And of course, when doing your brows, they're going to be sisters, not twins. They're never going to look exactly alike, and everyone's just going to have to accept that. Unless, you know, you get them tattooed on, and you better hope they're perfect then, because then they're, you know, permanent. And as you can see, I'm going to go in and clean up my brows a little bit just to make them a little more sharp. I'm going in with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in shade NW15. And I'm just using this to carve out my brows and help make them a little bit more even. Alright guys, that is the finished brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much as I did. If you want to hang out with me in between my videos, you can follow me on Snapchat at Alex_Underwood, or you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Alex with 2 X's 2017. Don't forget that second X, because you won't be able to find me if you don't. You can also check me out on my artist website, which will be linked down below in the description, and that just has some more of my work on it. If you want me to redo any of those looks, let me know. I will see you guys in the next one, guys. Bye!